To start the takeout process, we will use a plastic trim remover tool like this. Using the tool, we will pull out the armrest cover first. No need to take it out completely, just leaving it to that point. Holding the armrest cover upside, now we will punch in the tool and then take out the switch panel. Punch the tool towards left side and then towards the right side until the switch panel is completely taken out. Once the switch panel is taken out, it has two plugs behind that we are supposed to take out. Notice right there is a tab that we need to press and hold and then pull the plug outwards. Plug is out. Same goes for the top one. Just press and hold the tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. Both the plugs are out and the switch panel is separated. Now to take out the cover from the switch panel, we are supposed to take out two screws, one right here and one right there. We'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to take both of those screws out. Once both the screws from the middle are taken out, notice there is 1/3 screw at the bottom that's also supposed to be taken out. With all the 3 screws taken out, all we have to do now is just lift up the switch panel and separate that from the cover. And this is how the switch panel is taken apart from the cover. In my case, the switch panel is good, so I will be installing it back. And the way we do it is we actually have to reverse the steps of the takeout. We keep the plastic cover down like that, making sure the position of the buttons matches with the position of the cover itself. Now we will put the switch panel on top of the cover and then put back all these 3 screws one by one. We'll make sure all the screws are tight enough. This seems good. This is good. Third one is also good. Once you don't see any room here, no room there in the middle of the screw and the plastic cover, and also no room from the underneath side, this is an indicator that all the screws are completely tight. Now we will go ahead and put this back. Again, we will make sure the armrest cover is pulled upside in order to install the switch panel. Notice we are not taking out the armrest cover completely, just lifting it upside up until that point. Now we will go ahead and grab the switch panel. We'll punch in both of the plugs first. First plug is in, then we will go ahead and punch in the second one on top. Both the plugs installed. With the armrest cover taken upside, we will go ahead and punch in the switch panel. Notice with the switch panel, there is a yellow color portion right here and another yellow color portion right there. Both of these portions are supposed to be installed into these 2 spots right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the switch panel right there. Then we'll give it a push from right side and the left side. There it is, and it seems like it's completely installed. Now we will go ahead and put back the armrest cover. We'll place this yellow color tab right in that hole first. Then we will just give it a push downside. Armrest cover is installed and not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of switch panel. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.